How to monetize your blog and make money in 2021. Hello and welcome back to another video here on Front State Finance. When you are just starting out with your blog, it can seem like one of the most arduous and frustrating tasks. With so much information to consume and strategies to digest, it is not possible to grasp the art of blogging in a day. Now, the problem is, people ignore the fundamentals of online marketing when starting a blog, and that's the reason for their failure. And so in this video, we will take a look at some of the best ways to monetize your blog. Stay tuned and watch the video right till the end. Monetizing your blog. While there are arguably dozens of ways to monetize your blog, there really are 8 core methods that will help you earn a healthy income from your efforts. Affiliate marketing. One of the most popular methods for monetizing a blog is to leverage affiliate marketing. This is especially useful when you're just starting out and you don't have your own products or services to sell. All you have to do is develop content that will ultimately be in harmony with whatever affiliate offers you plan to push out. For example, if you're running a fitness blog, you can easily sell affiliate health, weight loss, or bodybuilding supplements. Since the content is already attracting people that are interested in fitness, selling these types of products helps you to create a near-automated stream of passive income. Advertisements. While most people might think that adding some pay-per-click or PPC ads will be a great way to make lots of money with their blogs, unless you have massive amounts of traffic, as in 10,000 plus visitors per day or more, the income will be marginal at best. The real income here doesn't start until you cross about 100,000 visitors per day. However, you could easily negotiate terms directly with advertisers by utilizing display ads as opposed to PPC ads. As long as the ads are within your specific niche or industry, you can likely negotiate an amount that would be much more competitive than income from standard PPC ads. Email marketing. One of the most powerful methods for making money from your blog is directly through email marketing. But to be successful, you need to build your list. Whether you promote blog updates or create a lead magnet, utilize one of the more popular email marketing platforms like ConvertKit, Aweber, or Infusionsoft to implement the systems necessary to begin marketing via email. By building a strong bond and a connection with your readers, you can effectively generate a sizable amount of money through the course of marketing both your own products and services along with affiliate offers directly through email. You can expect to generate approximately $1 per subscriber per month. Sell ebooks. Ebooks offer a relatively quick pathway for making money from your blog. Develop an ebook that's aligned with the content of your blog. Non-fiction ebooks are relatively simple to create, and if you're teaching a skill that many people struggle with, it's likely that the book will produce a healthy profit. You can easily promote your ebook directly through your blog by creating attractive content that will draw people in, then enticing them with your ebook. You could also build a sales funnel, which is an online marketing term for an automated multi-step sales machine, and sell your ebook on autopilot. Sell courses. Selling digital online courses is another way you can profit from blogging. Develop intuitive and helpful courses that add a tremendous amount of value, and the rest will be smooth sailing. By putting your heart and your soul into these courses, you can simply allow them to sell on autopilot for you. Another great avenue for passive income. Courses work great when it comes to technical skills like web development, digital marketing, graphic design, and so on. But they also work in formats like finances, stocks, currency investing, and accounting. Find what you're really great at and do the due diligence before building your course. Then make something far better than the other courses out there in the marketplace. Sell digital products. Creating digital products is a great way to profit from your blog. You can effectively sell any type of digital information product on your blog as long as it's in harmony with your content. You can build a webinar to market your product and deliver them through a members area or through other downloadable means. Digital products can be a combination of videos, downloadable guides, resources, PDFs, software components, SaaS, and others. Do your best to create something that helps fill a need or a void. Don't second-guess yourself, as you'd be surprised at just how much money you can make by selling digital products on your blog. Sell coaching services. While it does seem like coaching services are infiltrating every aspect of the market these days, selling coaching services through your blog can definitely be a lucrative prospect. Whether you set yourself up as a life coach, a career coach, or a business development coach, you can earn a significant income through just a handful of clients. Decide on a number of packages and do your best to ensure that you address any objections upfront. Customers tend to abandon the purchase process when it's too complicated. They have to leave the site, create an account, or a number of other reasons, according to one such study by Baymard Institute. Secure sponsorships. Sponsorships are a great way to make money from your blog, but you need the traffic if you're going to sell it for a significant amount of money. You can create sponsored posts as long as you label them as sponsored. The FTC cracks down on marketing products and services, including articles that are sponsored when in fact they're passed off as organic. You have to be careful with sponsorships. Be sure that you're upfront with your readership. Google also cares acutely about sponsored links and will penalize you if you're selling links along with penalizing the site that you're linking to. Simply put, it's not worth it. So be as transparent as possible. There you have it, 8 ways to monetize a blog. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.